Hey guys, John here with Billings Seafood Guys. Welcome to episode 7 of Billings Seafood Guys TV. You guys know the drill. We're here for you. We want to show you guys all about seafood, seafood awareness, seafood education. And one of our goals is to really go through all of our products that we offer in Billings Seafood Guys and show you easy recipes of how to cook this stuff. So today, we're jumping into scallops, East Coast sea scallops. We're gonna do a quick saute. The easiest way to do it, we're going to show you a quick hack how to thaw these things out and how to enjoy the East Coast sea scallops. Subscribe below, guys. Billings Seafood Guys TV, episode 7, East Coast sea scallops. Let's cook them up. All right, guys, we're jumping into the scallops. First thing, I get this question a lot in our events is, do you have to thaw these scallops out? Technically, no, you don't have to. You can cook them from frozen, but my suggestion is thaw them out. And here's a quick little hack I learned from my buddy Cooking with Justin. You guys got to follow him on Instagram. So awesome way to do this. Just ambient water. Get those scallops in there. And I love Justin's hack of using these in a colander here, because as soon as they're thawed out, boom, there you go. Get those right in the pan, and we're gonna start sauteing these things. All right, guys, so here we go. We're gonna cook the scallops. So, these videos are really, again, like these videos with our products, we wanna show you the simple, easy ways to cook this seafood. And to show you how easy it is to cook seafood. It's nothing crazy, it's nothing to be intimidated by. We're here to teach you. We're gonna show you this stuff, and we hope you enjoy it. So, scallops is one that everyone is kind of unsure about scallops. I've been around so many people that really are so afraid to cook it themselves, because there's that big thing out there about scallops that you're going to overcook them, you're going to ruin them, they're going to turn into a ball of rubber. So yeah, you can definitely do that, but let's just talk about the simplest way to cook these things. You can get crazy, but we're going to go simple, and the key to that is we're going to stick to butter. So if you saute these things just in butter, I'll tell you right now that they're gonna be good. We'll show you a few things. We'll talk about a few things that you can add to. You can add a few things just to garnish it up, to enjoy it a little bit more. But at the end of the day, if you just saute them in butter, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy, you're gonna enjoy them. So we melted some butter in this pan here, and we got this pan nice and hot. I just tell people, as long as it's hot to the touch, like right there, that's nice and hot. So we got this going. We're gonna get the scallops going in here right now. And we're really shooting for, about 2 to 3 minutes each side until we get that golden brown. All right, guys. It's been about 2.5 minutes. We're just gonna flip these real quick. So there's a lot of fun things you could just add in here as well. You could add in some minced garlic. You could add in white wine. You could do teriyaki. People do garnishing it with lemon juice, grating up some lemon peel. So there's tons of things you can add to it. You can also make sauces afterwards. You can cook it up, get the scallops done, and then you could even in with the butter, white wine, minced garlic, add some other stuff too. So like I said, you can get as crazy with it as you want, but we're just gonna stick to the basics. We're just gonna do the scallops here just in butter, sauteing them 2 or 3 minutes each side, and it's just like that. Then you're enjoying them. So we've been about 5.5 minutes. We're right there. So here's the scallops, guys. As you can see, we flipped them after about 2.5 minutes. You can see things starting to split a little bit. They're definitely getting cooked. You can see how we're looking on both sides here. So here we go. As you can see, I like to just cut this open real quick. You see a little bit of opaqueness in there, so it's not cooked all the way through. These things are gonna keep cooking for just a couple more minutes. They're so hot. And you can see there's a little bit of juice in there. So they're not totally dried out. So if you guys stick to that 5 to 6 minute range and you just check them. I mean, when you're thinking, just pull one out, cut it. As long as there's you still see a little opaqueness, you see a little bit of juice in there, you know you're good. And if all else fails, do a little taste test. That texture of scallops. I know some people are really weird about that. I love the scallops. Super easy, awesome texture. I think it's an awesome just signature of seafood. But this is it, guys. So here we go. I'm gonna take these out. We're gonna enjoy these, and we'll show you guys a quick little sauce too. All right, guys, we're just gonna put a little sauce together real quick to put over these scallops. Just gonna get a little more butter in there to add to it. Get that heat going, get that melted up. I'm gonna add in a little minced garlic. Really love that garlic. In with this seafood. Works wonders on all seafood. And just because I'm totally a Yoshida's guy, I love teriyaki, I'm just gonna get a little bit of that in there too. Again, nothing crazy. Really whatever you want for sauce, it's your preference, your flavor. And then this is something we get to just drizzle over those scallops. There it is. Okay, so again, nothing crazy. These are just sauteed in butter. I'm telling you guys, just like this, you're gonna enjoy them. There's good flavor. You taste a little bit more of the scallops, but we just threw together a little more butter, a little minced garlic, a little teriyaki. Just get a nice little sauce on there, nothing crazy. And we're just gonna eat away. That's it, guys. East Coast sea scallops. We do just a dry scallop, so no preservatives added. This is a really simple how to cook scallops. Questions, comments below. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep doing videos. Comment below in other videos you wanna see. We're here for you guys. Thank you.